Hey, what's going on, guys? I separated from the group. They're still back at the restaurant, but the sun was setting and I had to run out here. It just seems unreal. I mean, look at this. It's been setting forever, but the colors are amazing. You can't stop taking pictures, but just take a look around. It's pretty cool. All right, I found everybody. We're back together.
Back together.
And we came out here to enjoy the sunset a little longer, but I think we're gonna go up top up there.
Yes. Get a nice hot toddy.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan. A little warmer too. Yeah.
It's either we're gonna build a fire out here.
Yeah.
They might get mad at that. I don't know. Let's go to the top. We had a slight change of plans, so we came to the Coco instead. Lots of good beer here. So
Coco Vale Beer Hall.
Yeah. So we're gonna try this place out, and hopefully it goes well.
Yeah.
Red IPA, blue. Dad will find that out. Cheers.
Cheers.
We made it.
It's not a rooftop bar, but it's the second best thing.
That's right. We didn't want to go clubbing anyway.
Yeah.
Warmer.
A lot warmer. Made a turn off of La Rambla to La Boqueria here, and this is where you can get all the freshest, like fruits, meats, you name it, they've got it here. It's fresh. Some of it's cooked. You can eat here too. They have everything you could ever want. It's amazing, and some stuff I've never seen before. Should I do like this and grab it?
Yeah, that's what I did.
And I'll hold this.
Pull real hard.
There we go.
And you want one?
Got some chocolate covered strawberries. Looking pretty good.
So good.
I guess.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, we made it over here to Park Güell this morning. We're gonna check it out and go take a little look around before we head over to the Sagrada Familia a little bit later.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it is beautiful for it, and it should be fun. Let's go check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? We decided to come explore the Gothic Quarter today, and we found a church.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. What was it called?
It's massive.
The Santa Maria?
Santa Maria del Pi Basilica.
Yeah, and
From
it's,
like the 1300s.
it's an old church with a lot of history, so let's go check it out inside. A little bit of lunch. We finally made our way to one of Barcelona's famous pinchos restaurants here, and look at the food. You just grab it and collect the sticks, and at the end they count them up, and that's how they charge you. Pretty
Dennis had
neat.
some anchovies on his. And what was the other fish then?
Herring.
Wow,
Herring.
he's being adventurous.
And that was good.
Oh, look at
Oh,
this.
so
Wow.
good.
We are full and ready to walk it off.
Sunlight.
Yeah, sunlight. And now we're going to the Barcelona Cathedral. Look at that. On the roof of the Barcelona Cathedral. Made it on top of the Barcelona Cathedral. It's included with your ticket. You can just take the elevator right up to the top. It looks like they're still planning it out because we're kind of on makeshift walkways here, but well worth it. The view is amazing. You see that bird sitting next to you? Look at how the birds are just sleeping. Look at that sucker. Come here, buddy.